Hi, I'm Kate,
And I'm Beth.
and we're with WeBuyPA.com. If you're on this site, you might have been doing an online search, or maybe you received a piece of marketing in the mail like a letter or a postcard, and now you're wondering what we're all about. Well, if you hang with us for a little bit, we'll tell you. We've been buying houses all over central Pennsylvania, right here in our own hometown, and we've helped a lot of people in many situations. Some are facing divorce, foreclosure, tax delinquencies, job relocation, death of a loved one, or maybe it's a landlord that doesn't want to be a landlord anymore. Whatever the case, we've seen all kinds of houses, some in great shape and some in horrible shape. But at the end of the day, we've been able to help a lot of people.
And our process is really simple. Neither Kate nor I are realtors, so you certainly never have any realtors fees. There are no hidden closing costs, you won't be paying ours, and we're all cash. So you won't have any wait for funding approval or appraisals dragging out your timeline. And at the end of the day, when you want to close is when we will close. So whether that's 7 days, 7 weeks, or 7 months, we will cater to you.
So when you came to this site, you must have been interested in maybe getting some ideas about how to sell your house or what your options were. So you have two options right now. You can either close this window and forget you ever saw us, or you can fill out this form and tell us a little bit about your story and what we can do for you. It doesn't hurt to try, and I think you'll find we're a pretty friendly group. So let me just reiterate that we're very interested in buying your house. We just need a little information. So give us a call, fill out the form over here, tell us a little bit about the house and about yourself and how we can help you. We've worked with a lot of people over the years, and we're pretty good at finding solutions for a lot of the sellers. So thanks again for checking us out, and give us a call or fill out the form and see what we can do for you. Thanks again.